Good morning to all of you. In last class, we have seen the numerical on resistance and resistivity. Today, I will talk about the advantage of parallel over series and the disadvantage of series over parallel. Okay, so in the domestic wiring, the wiring which is done in the house, the resistances are connected in parallel. They are not connected in series. So today we will talk about that only, that advantage of parallel over series in domestic wiring. First of all, when I have taught you the proof of combination of resistance, in that I have taught you about the what will happen when two or more resistances are connected in series, and second, what will happen if two or more resistances are connected in parallel. And we have come to the conclusion that in series, the equivalent resistance is sum of all the resistances which are connected in circuit. Okay, so what will happen if in the domestic wiring, in place of parallel, if we will use series, what will happen? That suppose I took a bulb, okay, means here I have taken one resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and all the three are connected in series. All the three are connected in series, okay. So what will happen? If two or more than two devices, because every device has a resistance, so in place of this resistance R1, you can name it as here a bulb, here a fan, and here a refrigerator. What will happen if all the resistance are connected in series? First of all, if for all this इक्विपमेंट, जितने भी इक्विपमेंट हैं, अगर हमारा जो सर्किट है डोमेस्टिक वायरिंग सीरीज में है, तो जितने भी हम लोग के इक्विपमेंट है सबके लिए केवल कितनी हम लोग की होगी? एक की होगी. कितनी स्विच होगी? केवल और केवल एक स्विच होगी. केवल और केवल क्या होगी? एक स्विच होगी. सपोज करो कि हमारे पास तीन बल्ब है और तीनों को हमने किसमें कनेक्ट कर दिया? सीरीज में. किसमें कनेक्ट कर दिया? सीरीज में. दिस इज बल्ब B1, B2 एंड B3. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट. देन व्हाट विल हैपन? फॉर ऑल दीज थ्री बल्ब देयर विल बी ओनली वन स्विच. मीन्स अगर हम चाहें कि एक टाइम में एक बल्ब को ऑन करें और दूसरे बल्ब को ऑफ करें, तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन द केस ऑफ सीरीज. सेकेंड, अगर बाय द वे ये बल्ब B1 हमारा फ्यूज हो जाता है, इफ बल्ब B1 get fused, so what will happen? The remaining bulb will also not glow, because for the path of for the movement of current, the direction is, there is a unique direction, and this, when bulb B1 get fused, so now this circuit will act like a open circuit. ये सर्किट कैसा काम करेगी? ओपन सर्किट ऐसा काम करेगी. और ओपन सर्किट में आप जानते हो कि करंट फ्लो नहीं करता है. तो अगर एक बल्ब फ्यूज हो गया, तो जो अगर एक इक्विपमेंट सीरीज में मीन्स वो हम लोग का फ्यूज हो गया, तो जितने भी इक्विपमेंट है वो हम लोग के वर्क नहीं करेंगे. दूसरी बात तो ये हुई. तीसरी, यू ऑल नो कि सपोज दिस इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V, तो ये पोटेंशियल सीरीज में क्या होता है, इन सीरीज वोल्टेज गेट डिवाइड, सीरीज में क्या होगा, वोल्टेज गेट डिवाइड्स, और जितना हम लोग को वोल्टेज सप्लाई लाइन से मिल रहा है वी विल नॉट गेट द सेम वोल्टेज। A fourth thing, when resistance are connected in series, then equivalent resistance will be high. And if the equivalent resistance will be high, then the current will be low. So this is the disadvantage of series. यही अगर हम पैरेलल की बात करें तो what will happen? Again I am taking 3 bulbs. Now they are connected in parallel. They are connected in parallel. So what will happen? इस केस में first thing is कि in parallel अगर B1 bulb fuse होता है, if B1 bulb will get fused, then also the current will flow in B2 through B2 and B3. Means if B1 will get fused, there will be no effect on B2 and B3. पैरेलल में सबसे बड़ी चीज यही है कि अगर एक बल्ब फ्यूज होता है तो दूसरे बल्ब पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, बाकी के बल्ब जो हैं वो ऐसे ही ग्लो करेंगे। सेकेंड एडवांटेज इज दैट इन द केस ऑफ पैरेलल फॉर एवरी इक्विपमेंट देयर विल बी सेपरेट स्विच। तो इफ वी वांट टू switch on one bulb at a time and switch off other on the same time, we can do it in parallel. Third thing, in parallel the voltage remains same, the voltage does not divide, means we will get the same voltage what we are getting from the supply line. Yes, so and in parallel we know that the resistance will be reduced, and if the resistance will be less, then the current flow will be more. So these are the advantages of parallel over series. So that's why in domestic wiring, what we use a parallel in place of series. Okay. Now, next topic is इलेक्ट्रिक पावर। इसको हम लोग समझेंगे कि इलेक्ट्रिक पावर क्या होता है। ओके, व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक पावर? ऐसे नॉर्मली 9th क्लास में भी हम लोग पढ़े थे व्हाट इज पावर, रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क, रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क। तो सेम चीज यहां पे भी है। जब भी हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक पावर की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या बात करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम। What is electric power? Electrical work done per unit time, and electrical work done per unit time is said to be electric power. Electric power is the electrical work done per unit time. Okay, so what is electric power? Electric power is the electrical work done per unit time. Okay, so when we write, what we write, power is equal to work done upon time taken. What is power? Power is equal to work done upon time taken. That is W upon T. What is that? That is W upon T. Okay. So what is electrical power? That is W upon T. Work done per unit time. Or we can say that electrical work done per unit time. That is electric power. सो जब भी हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक पावर की बात करते हैं तो सेम चीज है, वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम एंड द यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज since we know that what will be the unit of power, that will be power, the unit of power will be watt. What is the SI unit of power? The SI unit of power is watt. So what is 1 watt? 1 watt is equal to वर्क डन की यूनिट क्या होती है? जूल. और टाइम की यूनिट क्या होती है? सेकेंड. टाइम की यूनिट क्या होती है? सेकेंड. वर्क डन की यूनिट क्या होती है? हम लोग की वर्क डन की पावर की यूनिट वॉट, वर्क डन की यूनिट जूल, टाइम की यूनिट सेकेंड. सो व्हाट इज 1 वॉट? 1 वॉट इज इक्वल टू 1 जूल पर सेकेंड. मीन्स इफ 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the electric power is said to be 1 watt. Then the electric power is said to be 1 watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. But this, the watt is very much smaller quantity. Watt is very much smaller quantity. That's why when we are talking about the power, when in the electrical equipment, okay, so we are taking kilowatt also sometimes. 1 kilowatt is how much? 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 किलोवाट कितने के बराबर होता है? 1000 वाट. ओके, आप देखिएगा बल्ब पे अगर ध्यान से देखेगा तो जो भी इक्विपमेंट खरीद के लाते हैं आप उस पर रीडिंग लिखी होती है. ओके, 220 वोल्ट, 100 वोल्ट. ओके, सो ये क्या है? मींस उसकी पावर रेटिंग 100 वॉट होगी और उसमें वोल्टेज वो कितना वोल्टेज उसको देना है, कितने वोल्टेज पे वो वर्क करेगा? इट विल वर्क ऑन 220 वोल्ट. ओके, सो 1 वॉट इज इक्वल टू 1 जूल अपॉन 1 सेकेंड. और उसकी जो वॉट को जब हम लोग जब पावर ज्यादा अमाउंट में मिलता है, बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट में, तो वी मेजर पावर इन किलोवाट. ओके, सो नाउ when we are talking about the watt and kilowatt, so as we know that power is equal to work done upon time taken. What is power? Work done upon time taken. That is equal to W upon T. So we have got P is equal to W upon T. And in the electric potential I have taught to you, we know that V is equal to W upon Q. What is V? V is equal to W upon Q, or we can say W is equal to V into Q. Let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. Now we will put the value of W from equation number 2 in equation number 1. So what we will get? W is equal to V into Q upon T, and we know that Q upon T is equal to I. So what we have got the power P is equal to V into I. What is power? Power is the product of potential difference into current. So this is the formula of power. So we can write this formula of power. Formula of power in terms of V and I. Just now we have got that P is equal to V into I. Okay, now next, power in terms of V and R. So what is power in terms of V and R? That is, we know that P is equal to V into I, and we know that P is equal to V into I, and also we know that I is, what is R? R is equal to V upon I, or I is equal to V upon R. तो अगर इसको हम लोग इक्वेशन नंबर 1 माने, इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 माने, now we will substitute the value of I from equation number 2 in equation number 1. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? पुट कर रहे हैं I की वैल्यू किस इक्वेशन से? इक्वेशन 2 से. किस इक्वेशन में? इक्वेशन नंबर 1. So what we have got? P is equal to V into V upon R, that is V square upon R. That is the power in term of V and R. Now third, power in terms of I and R. ये कैसे निकलेगा? Same चीज. We know that I is equal to V upon R. I is equal to V upon R, or we can say that V is equal to IR. Let this be equation number third. Now we will put the value of V is equal to IR from equation number third again in equation number 1. So what we get? P is equal to IR into I, that is I square R. What we have got? P is equal to I square R. So these are the three formula of power. First, power in terms of V and I. Second, power in terms of V and R. Third, power in terms of I and R. Okay. Now, we will solve one numerical on this. Okay. What will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of 40 watt. How much watt? 40 watt. When it is connected to a source of 220 volt. क्या पूछ रहा है? What will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of 40 watt when it is connected to a source of how much watt? 220 volt. So in this question, what is given? First we have to write given that is P is equal to 40 watt. Okay. Now V is equal to 220 volt, and we now know that P is equal to V into I, or I is equal to P upon V. What is I? I is equal to P upon V, that is 40 upon 220, 2 upon 11, 0.18, 0.11 ampere. So, what will be the current drawn by an electric bulb? The current drawn by an electric bulb will be equal to 0.18 ampere. Okay. So now in today's class, we have studied about the advantage of parallel over series, and second we have talked about the electric power. In the next class, I will teach you about the commercial unit of electricity and what we are using, why we are using kilowatt hour in place of joule, because we know that joule is very much smaller unit. Joule is what? Joule is very much smaller unit. So that's why in place of joule, we use kilowatt hour, and I will also say you that what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule, because we know that energy is measured in joule. But when we are measuring the energy in joule, so joule is a very much smaller quantity. Joule is what? Very much smaller quantity. So when we are measuring in the electrical equipment, okay, in the commercial unit of, when we are talking about the commercial unit, we are taking as kilowatt hour. And that's why अगर हम घर में बोलते हैं कि आज 10 यूनिट हमारी बिजली आई, means how much it is? It is 10 kilowatt hour. And in the next class, I will show you also the relation between kilowatt and hour and joule, and how 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how much joule. And after that, we will study about heating effect of electric current, and we will solve some of the numerical, and that is about the chapter electricity. Second thing, all the topic of chapter number 10, 11 and 12, all the topic are very much important, and all the topic will be covered in your UT second. पीरियोडिक सेकेंड। सो डोंट स्किप एनी टॉपिक, कोई भी टॉपिक हो, जो भी टॉपिक आपको पढ़ाया गया और जो भी टॉपिक आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में है, वो सब आपके एग्जाम में आएगा। हर एक टॉपिक आएगा आपके एग्जाम में, यह आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए। आप एनसीईआरटी लाइन बाय लाइन पढ़ेगा, जो भी टॉपिक आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में दिया है वो सब टॉपिक आपके यूटी सेकेंड में आने वाला है। वेदर इट इज फ्रॉम ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ड, अगर डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ विजन की बात करें